Here I come to save the day. Nah. Here I come to save the day. I'm a gift time giver, not a woman speaker. You know there is no one else. You can have me just one time, baby, she said. Baby, I'll give you a chance. Nah. Alright, let's try this. La la, how do we start today?
I don't know.
Okay.
Levon wears his war wound like a crown. He calls his child Jesus, because he likes the name, and he sends him to the finest school in town. Levon likes his money. He makes a lot, they say. Spends his days counting in a garage by the motorway. He was born a pauper to a pawn on a Christmas day, when the New York Times said God is dead and the war's begun. Albert Tosted had a son today. Shall believe on, and he shall be a good man, and he shall believe on in tradition with a family plan, and he shall believe on, and he shall be a good man. He shall believe on. Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this one sad part What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Well, you know, people throw around, they think if there's a Marvel movie, anybody who's in that is a superhero.
Yeah?
And I don't think that's true.
Really? What do you mean?
Well, think about, the Hulk. I mean, how is the Hulk a superhero? I mean, basically, they say, you know, a superhero needs to have a story. He needs to have a tragedy. He needs to be motivated to overcome. And so you got Bruce Banner, right? He's just a regular guy. He's working, and he's an educated person, you know, majored in science, probably has rich parents, you know, whatever. And he's working in the lab. You know, he's probably pulling down 60, 70K a year. You know, his car's paid off. And then what happens? Boom! Gamma radiation bomb or something. And then now, when he's got to change a tire, and oh, I hurt my finger. I was changing a tire. It gets me so mad. He turns into the Hulk. He's all green, and you know, you got a temper problem. That's not a superhero, you guys. You know, I mean, Captain America can kind of try to tame him as much as he wants, but the Hulk is just, you know, like a guy on steroids. And so the Hulk's not a superhero. You know, surprisingly, I think I could make a case that Superman's not a superhero.
Really? I thought Superman was like the main superhero guy.
Oh yeah, but you know, if a superhero is somebody who has a secret identity and you know, has a normal life and then puts on a costume and a mask and then fights crime. Well, when you think about it, you know, Superman's actual clothes, you know, he actually is Superman. He pretends to be Clark Kent. His real name is Kal-El. And you know, he pretends to be a nerd. He pretends to you know, like Lois Lane. I mean, talk about not being very sensible. Lois Lane's like, oh, no thanks, Clark. I'm too good for you. I'm too hot to go out with a nerdy guy like you. And then, oh wow, here comes Superman. I wish he was my boyfriend. Nah. But so Superman pretends to be, and he's just accidentally here. His powers are just because, you know, the yellow sun, you know, makes a person from a different part of the universe, you know, have X-ray vision for some reason. But anyway, so Superman, I don't know, maybe Superman's a superhero, I don't know. But Batman totally is not a superhero.
Batman's not one either?
No. Batman is, you know, he's motivated out of just hate. You know, he's not saving people because he loves people. He don't care about nobody. He's just so mad at the pearl thief who killed his parents. They were coming out of the theater there, and I'm just a little guy. Went to the movies with my parents. Saw Zorro. Oh, that was great. I wish I could wear a mask and a cape like Zorro. And then what happens? Hey, you two, and that little kid. Why are you walking down a scary, what's it called? It's not a hallway. Alley. And he's like, give me your pearls, lady. And the dad's all, hey, leave her alone. You're dead. And so Bruce Wayne goes, oh, wow. Well, I could call the cops, or 20 years from now, after working out real hard and learning karate, I can dress up and then beat up people, for like stealing. And vengeance will be mine. I'm not the hero Gotham needs, but I'm the hero Gotham wants. Wait, or the other way around. So I don't know. I'm done with Batman. It's too creepy. Who else? Spider-Man? Yeah, Spider-Man's a superhero. Although I gotta say, Spider-Man turning into a superhero, everything got better for Peter Parker. One day he's all skinny and nobody likes him. He's bullied, and then he gets bitten by a spider. And next day, oh, look at this, I don't even need my glasses. Nah. And he's all buff. He didn't have to work out. Girl across it, Mary Jane, suddenly likes him. I don't know. And it's just up and up, and his trajectory. So yeah, why wouldn't he be a superhero? Becomes an Avenger even before he graduates from high school. I mean, come on. Superman. Hey, welcome back to the show. And we have a very special announcement today.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, honey?
Oh, yeah.
We have a new album out. For a while now, people have been writing. They were like, "Hey, do you guys got an album? We really like your songs." Nah. But so we decided we'd put together a bunch of the songs from a lot of the podcasts we've put together. And so there's just a lot of, parts of songs or whatever, but some original songs and some covers. So, click the link down here to YouTube, and if you haven't been to our YouTube channel, come over. There's a lot of good stuff there, and watch OJIBWE, songs from the podcast. And yeah, just wanted to say that real quick. I don't know. This has been very clumsy, but yeah. So anyway, come on over to what's I don't think there's an Ojibwe word for YouTube, but
Hey, I know. Let's play a song. This was one of the songs on the album.
hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this right here, this is Natasha.
And the road is closed, still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin.
In keeping with the theme of the week,
What's that?
we're gonna do one Anishinaabe grandfather teaching word a day, and today it's bravery. Aquade Ewin. Bravery. Aquade Ewin. And you know, to live in this world in a good way, to walk the red road, it takes Gitchi. Aquade Ewin. It takes great bravery. You know, to stand up when you know and something's right, even though it's not popular. It takes bravery. To, you know, to risk, you know, having your friends turn against you because they don't agree with you, but you know what you're saying is true. It takes Aquade Ewin. Bravery. I don't know. Now I'm just kind of talking stupid. All right. Well, hey, I've got enough bravery to get out when I know I got nothing funny to say.
And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on
Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. And Natasha. Oh, I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
from what I've seen, nothing's meant to last. But I can't move forward, and I'm living in the past. snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.